Here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, good morning. If you do not want to have to deal with bringing the umbrella or the rain jacket along with you, you do not have to worry about that today. It's tonight through very early tomorrow morning. If you maybe are out late, where you're going to need that. We'll talk about the timing right now. It really works out for our daytime activities both today and tomorrow. So timing, as we would say, is on our side. We take you through this afternoon. This is 2 o'clock, dry with just a few clouds approaching from the coast. And then this evening, this is around 8 o'clock, still dry, but between about 8 p.m. and midnight, the chance of a few scattered showers. This is 3 o'clock in the morning, still a few scattered showers around. And there's even a slight chance of a quick thunderstorm, although they will be few and far between. And then notice what happens as we go into Sunday morning. Whoosh, they're gone. So Sunday is dry as well. Now, I am stopping this Futurecast around 5 p.m. tomorrow. Notice we have a few isolated showers try to move in from the north and west. This is something we'll be tracking tonight into tomorrow, looking at more information. I think most of us make it through Sunday without any showers at all, but there's a slight chance you could see just a few brief, I'm talking 5 to 10 minute showers pop up late Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening, but most of those should stay confined to our north and west. No need to cancel plans or even think about canceling plans because of those showers, just something we'll be watching. Narragansett Town Beach showing some sunshine out there with just a beautiful morning, just that kind of morning where you know the rain is over. You can almost feel it in the air. People outside already enjoying the run along the seawall here. And as we look at things from the hurricane barrier, also seeing some dark clouds, but also a decent amount of blue sky right now. How about the fog? Well, thanks for asking. We have actually pretty good visibility across most of our observing stations. Notice Newport at 10 miles. Taunton, though, you're about a third of a mile, so it's not always the coast that sees the thick fog. What's happening right now is some of the valleys here in Bristol County, Massachusetts, seeing what's known as radiational fog, but that will be burning off throughout the morning. So on the threat tracker, we keep you in the low category for today, tomorrow, on into Monday. No severe weather in sight. And on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, we're dry overhead. The showers off to our west. In fact, I'm going to show you the satellite picture in just a minute. Sort of an interesting little system that will be delivering those showers tonight into tomorrow morning. We're already 56 in Providence, 55 Newport, 54 in Taunton. A few of our observing stations you could see having a little issue right now. Doesn't mean that the temperature is not nice. It's nice in Smithfield and westerly too. Calm winds coming in through Providence right now. Notice the winds coming in from the northwest. That wind direction will change and come in from the southwest by the afternoon. That will make it a little cooler at the south coast compared to inland spots. Westerly is sitting at 54, Tiverton 57 from our Pinpoint weather network. So kind of a mild morning out there. Very pleasant to be outside. Here's that satellite picture I was promising, and here is something interesting happened. Yes, we have some snow out here towards the Great Lakes on the backside of the system. This does not mean we will be getting snow. I just wanted to show you that once we get on the backside of the system, a much cooler weather pattern will be taken over. We'll put up those numbers in just a second. 11 o'clock this morning, notice how we have 60s at the south coast, and this is the point where the winds start to turn in from the southwest, but before that happens, just before lunchtime, I wouldn't be surprised to see a few places like Newport get close to the 70s. Smithfield could already be at 70, and then as we go into the afternoon, notice what happens. Inland spots, you keep on warming to the mid-70s, while Newport, Westerly, Jamestown, you go back into the mid-60s with those winds really starting to develop from the southwest, and you may even drop a little bit cooler by the late afternoon into the low 60s with those southwesterly breezes. Tonight, scattered showers and quick thunderstorm is possible but not likely. Temperature around 49 or 50 for lows. And I wanted to point out in the 7-day Futurecast, we have the Relay for Life, the Aquinic Island Relay for Life going on today. Looks like it works out at least during the daytime hours. 63 around 10 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock, that's when we get the sea breezes, so we get the mid-60s and then upper 50s with a possible shower at 10 p.m. tonight. But definitely, 90% of that forecast looking great for that event. And then on Sunday, it's cooler, breezy, 62. It's a breezy 62. And then on Monday, look at that start in the morning. Upper 30s to low 40s and only 60 by Monday afternoon. So definitely a cooler but drier weather pattern as we start next week, Brian, and then slowly climbing back towards the 70s as we go throughout next week.
Well, we should see a good amount of sun in the next 7 days.
You notice a lot of that bright orange ball in the 7 days. Nice to see that.
Thank goodness for that.
Yep.
All right, Pete, thanks so much covering New England.